Hey y'all, what's up? It is Saturday, like I'm pooped and we chilling. Yeah, like the Sky left us and went to Orlando with Chili and
we're here.
Yanni. Why are you not in Orlando? You want me to tell everybody or it's okay? Just don't say nothing.
Don't say nothing.
Okay, Yanni's here with me.
Cause she in trouble. Be quiet. It's a vlog. You won't let everybody see it on YouTube. I'm here because it's a challenge, and if you drop the fidget spinner, you lose out of the game. So we're going first. We're going smallest to biggest. So Jacob, me, then Twan, and then Nico. So let's get the video started. Let's get into the video. No, I don't want to do the fidget spinner.
So Yanni said first up is Jacob.
So let's see.
Give Jacob the fidget spinner, Twan.
Jacob, what? Jacob, here's the fidget spinner.
Jacob. There go Jake playing with the fidget spinner. Do it, Jakey. Oh, look. There you go, man. There you go. Oh, slobber, dauber, slobber.
I didn't even realize that.
Did you get it? He ain't dropped it yet. He hasn't dropped it yet.
Come on, Jacob. What you doing? He would have dropped it. What you doing? You can do this. Drop it. Are you serious?
Go.
You dropped it.
Oh, fine. Go then. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, you dropped it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, dude, that's dropped, man. It fell, man.
Man,
it fell, man.
Yeah, it has to.
It's my turn. Now it's. And guess what's up, y'all? Like, I'm about to vlog.
Man, Jacob went the long side
and use the fidget spinner and whoop before the boys down. Yeah. Take it slow and easy. Slow and race.
Now you gotta do it.
Vlogging on the fidget spinner. I'm still whipping the bees boots, the bees butts. I'm still whipping the little bees butts. Got their long. Hey, leave my son alone.
I can feel his diaper.
Using this long chin is very useful. And I'm about to whoop some booty. And Mama about to whoop some booty, do the fidget spinner and vlog at the same time. Already been on for like a minute. Stop doing stuff, because I'm going to get that belt and tell y'all to clean my junk up.
I can't fight on Yanni.
No, boys don't like that, because they dropped it. They didn't know what to do with it.
You doing it wrong.
Anyway.
Oh,
I dropped it. Okay. But still, who's the winner?
Jacob.
Nah, come on, man.
Me.
Yo, who's honest?
Me. I want Jacob.
I won.
And me.
Who won, Jackie Poe?
First. No. First, second, third. Okay, whoever gets. You drop whoever
Right,
wins.
the fidget spinner challenge is officially over.